There are some events that may not have a specific time, for example a birthday, an anniversary, or a holiday. You can add events like these to your calendars as well. To add these type of events from the Quick Event button, we simply don't specify a time. For example, I could type Bob's birthday, August 25th, and it will add an all-day event. When viewing your calendar in the day or week views, you'll see a dedicated all-day events section. You can optionally just double-click in here to add an all-day event. I'll add Johnny Appleseed's birthday, then I'll set it to repeat every year so I don't have to manually add it each year. You can also use this area for vacations. Maybe you're going on a Hawaii trip. You can type Hawaii trip, then drag the end of it to span all the days that you'll be gone. This is just another way to help keep your events and special days organized. The next lesson in this module, we'll learn how to manage multiple calendars. Thanks for learning with Learn to Mac.